Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A33 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Animated Live Wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store and type in Magic Fluids in the search bar. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. After that, you need to click on OK apparently, and then on those three lines at the bottom right corner. Over here select Settings and tap on I accept. Now you can adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. Then when you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. After that, click on Set as Live Wallpaper, choose Set Wallpaper and decide if you wish to apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by selecting one of those options. So now when I click Home button, as you can see, theme of my my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!